Imagining intelligent machines.
Artificial intelligence has roots in ancient myths and philosophy, where stories of mechanical beings and thinking machines first appeared. As early as the 17th century, thinkers like René Descartes pondered if machines could reason. These early ideas inspired a centuries-long quest to build systems that could mimic or surpass human intellect.
Mathematics and logic, the foundations.
Late 19th and early 20th century advancements in mathematics and formal logic laid the groundwork for artificial intelligence. Visionaries like George Boole and Alan Turing explored how reasoning could be automated. Turing's concept of a universal machine and his famous Turing test became cornerstones for future developments in intelligent systems.
Computer revolution, birth of AI research.
The invention of programmable digital computers in the 1940s transformed theories into reality. Scientists realized these machines could process information and perform calculations similar to the human brain. This period saw a surge in exploring whether computers could be designed to think or learn, igniting the formal study of artificial intelligence.
The Dartmouth Workshop, AI's official launch.
In 1956, key researchers gathered at Dartmouth College for a summer workshop that officially coined the term artificial intelligence. Led by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, this event marked the birth of AI as a scientific field. Their vision was to explore ways in which machines could simulate every aspect of learning or intelligence.
Early breakthroughs and milestones.
Following the Dartmouth workshop, AI research flourished. Pioneers developed programs capable of solving logic puzzles, playing games like checkers, and demonstrating problem-solving abilities. Early examples include the logic theorist and the general problem solver, which showed that computers could replicate aspects of human reasoning and set the stage for future discoveries.